Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I want to go over the free traffic options that are available to you inside this system. So let's get into it. And when you log into your back office, just click the Resources tab and then click Training, and you'll come to these 3 links. You can start right here with the 7 Steps to Success with Myth. If you scroll down, each one of these links will contain a video and worksheet that you can download. Just listening to the training is not going to do anything except fill your head full of knowledge, but you really need to write it down and take action. And that's what these worksheets are for. They're going to help you do that. Lesson 3 is what you must do on a regular basis. So when you advertise one of the multiple income funnel capture pages, the system is going to follow up with your leads for 35 days. Make sure you have an autoresponder so that you can continue following up with your leads after the Myth emails come to an end. Each one of these videos shows you a free way to get leads. So you're just going to choose one of them and then stick with it for a couple of weeks just to kind of see how things are going. If you don't like it, just come back here and then choose another one. Don't try to do them all, just focus on one of them at a time. Then you want to master it, and then you can add on another strategy later on. Next, you can also go to the second link in the training section and click on Marketing System Success Training. Back here, you're going to learn some strategies about setting your goals and how to set a schedule. I can't tell you how many people just wing it when it comes to working their business. When I started blocking off time to do a particular task, like engage on Facebook or create a YouTube video, I noticed my productivity went through the roof. You're also going to learn strategies like taking massive action and also how to position yourself for success. Now, after you watch all those videos, you can go down here to the traffic training section and then go through these videos as well. So you're going to learn things like making your list, how to refer somebody in an email, or refer someone through text, or a Facebook post. Now right here are some paid resources, and also how to place an ad or take your business offline using drop cards and business cards. Back in the day when I was with Ameriplan, one of the guys I worked with would put about 10 drop cards in a Ziploc bag and then tape it to a couple of gas pumps at about 3 or 4 different gas stations when he was out running errands. And this is how he built up his business. He didn't do anything else except this, and it worked so well because he was consistent with it. And then these last 2 videos right here are about growing your email list and following up. And the last link is for weekly training calls. If you can't attend the live call, then make sure to listen to the recording. I have daily stand-up calls at work during this time, so I'm not able to attend the live calls, but I do go back and listen to them the same day in our Facebook group later on. All right, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, and this is the video that you're going to want to watch first, so that you can learn how to write your email series for your autoresponder. Now, some people get stuck and they don't know what to say in their emails. This training is going to show you how to do that. Next, you want to listen to what these people are doing to get signups and sales. Some of them are using TikTok, and some are just using traffic only to grow their business. So you definitely will learn something from each one of these people. Okay, so just go through the training, choose one of the free traffic strategies, and be consistent with it, whatever you choose. When you make your first sale, post it in the group so that we can celebrate with you. Okay, so that's pretty much wraps up this video, and I will see you next time.